Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to customize your control center on your iPhone. It's easier than you think, so let's get started. First, let's access the control center. Simply swipe down from the top right of your screen. Now to edit it, look for the plus button in the top left-hand corner and tap it. You'll know you've entered edit mode because all the controls will be highlighted. Want to remove a control? Just click the remove icon. It looks like a minus sign, next to the control you want gone. This works for regular controls, and you can even remove those cool full-screen ones the same way. Now, let's add some new controls. Tap Add a Control, and you'll see a list to choose from. There are even third-party controls available, which is pretty neat. For this example, I'm going to add the scan code control. See? It's already in the control center. You can rearrange the controls by dragging them around. They'll snap nicely to the grid, so they stay where you put them. Some controls, like the ones with tabs, can even be resized. Just press and hold the tab and drag to resize it. Want to add a full screen control? Swipe to the next page, tap Add Control, and select the control you want full screen. Just remember, only certain controls support this feature. I'm going to add the connectivity control. To make it full screen, press and hold the tab and drag it until it fills the whole screen. You can keep adding controls to new pages. Swipe to the next empty page, tap Add Control, and add as many as you like. They'll still snap to the grid. Okay, all set? Swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone screen to exit edit mode. Now you can use your customized control center just like normal. And that's it. That's how you customize the control center on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching Rome Tips.